Today we show you ANENG's battery tester. Comes with Alligator clip cable, wide opening range, strong bite force. Directly align it with the positive and negative clips of the battery to measure. It's very simple. Easily check the generator, check battery status, check the load and overload display. It has a bright LED light prompt, also with Chinese and English logos. Intuitive and easy to understand. The effects of different voltages and solutions are as follows: detectable car, motorcycle, electric cars, etc. Suitable for 9V-24V batteries. When detecting, first under unstarted, detect battery status while static, display low voltage, it needs to be charged in time. Start the engine, detect battery status, at startup, engine starts normally, and soon the green light will turn on at full power, indicates that the charging is normal. There are 10 detection states. Status 1, fault light, damaged car battery, replace the battery or battery. Status 2, okay, light up, the car has been extinguished, it needs to be ignited with the help of a starting power supply. Status 3, okay, turn on the light with the low power, battery low voltage, it needs to be charged in time. Status 4, the medium power and low power are on together, prevent flameout, keep an eye on whether the battery is out of power at any time. Status 5, CLP light on, charging is recommended. Status 6, the light is on at full power and CLP together, charging is recommended. Status 7, normally, the light will be on with full power, battery fully charged. Status 8, lights up normally, the battery is good and sufficient. Status 9, the fault lights up together with the normal, the battery is damaged. Timely inspection of automotive engines. Status 10, fault light, high load, turn off some onboard electrical appliances in time.